everyone, it's me, Sophie, and welcome to another episode of How Does It Work Living in Japan. Today's topic will be all about how to get a Japanese phone number and why I think GTN Mobile is just the best provider for doing so. But before we just start with the actual video, I wanted to thank anyone who subscribed to my channel, who liked the videos, or who just wrote a comment in the comment section down below. I'm really thankful for that, so thank you so much. And now that I just said it, that I'm really thankful, let's begin with the actual video. I think GTN Mobile is the best provider for applying to a Japanese phone number because, like I said, it is just really important. First of all, of course, you have to go to your web research tool. I always use Google or Koja. Type in GTN Mobile. It's important, GTN Mobile. You're already there and you can see the website and with their different offers and a gift card and where to go. Reasons to choose GTN, of course. Where you want to go is to the GTN Mobile Super Power Up Even Better Deals deal. So what that page is basically about, it is showing you all the different plans. I decided to go for the Premium Next plan, but I just scroll down a little bit to show you what else is there, like internet or prepaid SIM, or you just top up your Wi-Fi. I picked the Premium Next plan because it's a really good offer and it's just so easy to follow. So there are a lot of different plan packages like 3 GB, 5 GB, 7 GB, up to 21 GB per month, and you can see the right side there are the different prices per month, but it's still good. Here we are. It is a very long list, but I'm not reading it out loud because it's really long, but it's a basic list of how they proceed with you and the different contact details of, okay, are you eligible to sign the contract, all the information of how to cancel, which is kind of good because not a yearly contract. You can cancel your plan every single month and you just have to pay 1,000 yen, which is maybe $8 or €7.50. You have to click on the button that everything is all right, and you will be directed to the next page, which is you picking the amount of data that you would like to have during the month. There are all of the information that you need to know, how expensive it'll be. There is the initial cost that you have to pay in the beginning so that they actually set up the plan, and after that, after you check everything, you are good to go. Hello, Future Zina here, because I made that video on 2 different days and I just want to let you know that after you actually applied for the GTN Mobile SIM card, you'll get an email with all of the further steps for the contract, and you have to add some more details like your bank account and how you would like to proceed with the payment and everything. And after that, they just let you know once again, hey, everything is alright, and that actually your SIM card is on its way to you. So you should check your post box for a couple of days. Maybe it needs like 7 days or 10 days. Sometimes it arrives earlier. It all depends on where you live, and that's basically it. And here it is. Here are our letters. And I just unpack it now. Oh my god, like a pro YouTuber, and of course it doesn't work. Nope, it doesn't work. Third time, fourth time, and it works, and it's super cute. It has like cute little kitties. Is that kitties? Yeah, it's kitties. It's nice. And then you just open it. So unboxing, and here are your letters. I don't show you my address or anything. That's what's inside next to your card, which is kind of cool. So there's the front page with the QR code. That double page is basically for you to check whether you have an iOS or an Android phone, and with that you can go through like step by step. It's easy explained, Japanese and English, and that's really super duper cool. That page is showing you of how you can use your account on GTN Mobile. Yeah, of course there is the page of what happens when you leave Japan, what kind of problems could appear when you didn't cancel your plan in advance, and how to cancel your plan. And of course, then there is the content of payment. The backside of the page is how you actually can pay in a convenience store or short convenience. I hope they had lots of fun watching that video. Now you're just a little bit smarter than before, because I really like to tell you a lot of good things that are helping you in the future in case you would like to move to Japan or basically be here for a longer time and you are thinking about, oh, how does this work? How does that work? Yeah, and other than that, I wish you a wonderful day. I just get a new cup of tea and see you next time. Matta ne, bye bye.